Shytoshi has just disclosed who he is. Shiba Inu is about to go parabolic. In January 2023, Shiba Inu main developer Shytoshi sent a statement that sparked suspicion among Twitter users at Shiba Inu holder. There's a clue for the hashtag Shib community from Shytoshi. A new collaboration is on the way. Shibarium hashtag. In a slightly cryptic letter, Shytoshi said that he had spoken with his mentor and that by the end of 2023, it would be difficult for him to stay invisible. He concluded by noting that the real fun starts after everything is disclosed. We'll discuss about Shytoshi's recent identity revelation and Shiba Inu's impending parabolic journey in this video. Welcome to Dr. Crypto, your daily serving of Shiba. This is the spot for you if you're curious about anything related to Shiba. If you want to keep informed about all the latest news forecasts and stay ahead of the curve in the crypto industry, subscribe. To get more SHIB news, be sure to click the like button. If this is to be taken literally, Shytoshi is about to expose who he is, but revealing one's identity goes against the grain, leading onlookers to read between the lines. Shytoshi hinted that Shibarium would be launched soon after the new year and that it will arrive very soon. Shibarium is a crucial step in transforming Shiba Inu into more than just a meme currency and an Ethereum Layer 2 scaling solution. This includes the launch of the $0 and 1 cent pegged Shiba stablecoin, as well as the ability to run gaming and metaverse apps. Several articles about Shib, the metaverse, have been discussed in recent blog postings on the Shiba Inu ecosystem, focused particular on concept art displays of different virtual world settings. The Shib cryptocurrency has lost 76% of its value year to date, which is comparable to the decline seen by Ethereum and Bitcoin. The creator of Shiba Inu, Ryoshi, became nameless on Monday and removed all of his articles and social media postings, raising questions about the project's future. He didn't make any public remarks about it, and his Twitter account is still idle. Lead developer Shytoshi shared his opinions in a medium reply to Ryoshi's apparent abandonment of Shiba Inu. Shytoshi said in the post that he was unaware of Ryoshi's whereabouts. To allay worries, he did, however, affirm that he will take over the project and realize Ryoshi's goal, which includes organizing Shib gatherings and ultimately a SHIBACon, as well as implementing Shib, Leash, Bone, Treat, and Shiba Swap. Over the last day, the price of the Shiba Inu has moved south on its chart, depreciating by 3% over that period. The meme currency did not see advances either in the last week, dropping a few support lines in addition to over 6% of its market value. Shib has now developed a pattern suggesting that an upward breakout in the coin's price may occur within the next day. On the daily chart, the technical outlook continues to show indicators of bearishness. For the most part of this month, sellers have maintained control over the price. In order for Shib to continue its upward breakout, buyers must still get in. Based on technical analysis, it seems that the coin may drop on its chart for the next few trading sessions before rising again. The idea that there are still not enough buyers in the market is supported by the declining trading volume of Shib. Currently, Shib is selling 90% less than its peak, which was reached by the currency over a year ago. The exchange rate for Shib was $0.987. The price of the Shiba Inu dropped throughout the previous week from the $0.96 support line. Shiba Inu is anticipated to drop below the $0.92 mark as long as the purchasing sentiment is weak. It has created a symmetric triangular pattern, confirming the possibility of a breakout and a potential rally for the currency. Following the initial local support of $0.86, the meme currency is anticipated to break out. The Shiba Inu price will rise to $0.924 after the breakthrough, and if that resistance is broken, the currency will reach $0.1001. The reduction in Shiba Inu transaction volume during the previous session accounts for the low level of purchasers. Shib spent October and November in the seller's dominant zone. Following the current price decline, the relative strength index was below the $40 threshold. At the time of publication, the indicator's reading showed that there were more selling than purchasers, which was bearish. Similarly, Shib moved below the $20 simple moving average line, indicating that sellers were pushing the market's price momentum owing to a lack of demand. The meme currency will cross above the $20 SNA if Shib stays above $0.100. On its chart, further technical indicators have also supported the notion that Shib's value may decline. The asset's trend and price direction are shown by the Parabolic SAR. The price is continuing its downward trend, as shown by the indicator being above the price candlesticks. Price momentum and trend reversals are shown by the moving average convergence divergence. The MACD indicator was still showing red histograms, indicating that traders should sell as it may lead to a rise in the price of Shib. The Bitcoin market did not do very well in 2023. In addition to a protracted bear market that kept cryptocurrency prices low, a number of other factors also occurred. Right now, the majority of cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin and other altcoins, are trading between 60% and 90% less than their all-time highs. The second largest meme currency in this scenario, Shiba Inu, is not an exception. Who the enigmatic person hiding behind the moniker is yet unknown. But the screenshot with some intriguing information has been posted in a recent message by Twitter user ShibBPP. In the message shown in the screenshot, Kusama mentions that he spoke with his mentor on Discord, and that they both agreed that it would be difficult to stay invisible by the end of the year. The message was dated January 21, 2022, and in a few days, 2023 would come to an end. Additionally, he said that the true fun doesn't start when you align and disrupt an industry and then go unnoticed. Whether Kusama keeps his pledge and tells everyone who he really is, only time will tell. Shiba Inu, despite its early notoriety as a joke currency, is quickly evolving into a blockchain with a value component. It can only accomplish this goal, however, by reducing its reliance on antiquated technologies like Ethereum. This explains why Shibarium, the network's Layer 2 blockchain solution, was developed. With the introduction of Shibarium, the majority of Shib transactions that previously occurred on Ethereum will now occur on Shibarium. Considering that the main complaints against Ethereum are its high gas costs and poor throughput, this is a huge improvement. Due to the fact that Shiba Inu is based on Ethereum, these elements have considerably slowed down the expansion of the Shib network. Ethereum just moved to a POS network, however its transaction speed hasn't increased much yet. Consequently, using Ethereum's security layer as a Layer 2 solution to increase Shiba Inu's scalability is one of Shibarium's goals. In addition to lower costs and quicker transaction processing, Shibarium has a number of other advantages. It is important to remember, nevertheless, that transaction costs will be quite low when Shibarium launches. The majority of these costs will also go towards burning SHIB tokens. According to the network team's knowledge, Shibarium will provide a burning method for SHIB tokens. Reducing the amount of SHIB in circulation, is one method to make it a utility token. Since the network's inception, over 40% of SHIB tokens have been burnt, according to burn statistics. Its circulation of tokens is still excessive, which prevents it from being used as a utility token. When it comes to the most popular conversation subjects in the cryptocurrency world, Shib developers want to make sure that Shibarium is one of the most sought-after networks. The Shibarium development team thinks it can be actively involved in the metaverse. Proponents of the metaverse refer to it as a new kind of online interaction and the future of the digital world. Kusama, the Shib developer who goes by anonymously, said that the introduction of Shibarium would occur shortly, but he did not provide a precise release date. Kusama has already said that the debut of Shibarium would occur shortly. For months now, he has been saying the same things again and over. Shib's price will probably increase as a result of the Shibarium debut, as it will expand the token's applications. Shib's quicker and more economical transaction processing speeds will lead to an increase in use cases. Therefore, after Shibarium opens, the Shib community anticipates that SHIB will trade at $0.01. According to a related development, Shib developers have revealed that the widely awaited Shiba Eternity game's early release last month was a component of the performance testing phase of Shibarium. Ryoshi, the architect of the pseudonymous ship, intended for bone whale holders to have no advantage over other bone bearers. But because bone was the Shiba Swap DEX prize token, such vision was not possible. Furthermore, according to the information currently available on the network's website, bone will serve as Shibarium's main utility token. Shib's utility token, Bone, allows its holders to cast votes for the advancement of certain projects. There is a 230 million coin limit on its supply. The day is over now. Remember to give it a big thumbs up. To see our most recent material, share it and subscribe to the channel.